Here a short video on how to use the Aqua Master Tools P150 Pro pH AC meter. Remove the protective cap from the electrodes. Gently clean the electrode with distilled water and dry it off. Press the on-off button to start the meter. Insert the meter upright into the solution up to the edge and stir gently. Wait a few seconds for the correct value to appear on the display. Press the temp call button to switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Press the mode button to switch between pH and EC. Make sure the meter is in EC mode to switch between EC, US, TDS and ppm. Press and hold the mode button for at least 5 seconds to switch between parameters. Rinse the electrode with water after use and dry the electrode. Press the on-off button to turn off the meter. We recommend storing the meter in an upright position with KCl storage solution in the protective cap.